This is looking into the liner, coming back onto our liner. All the old cast iron. This is on the downstream piece that we did. That was the gap for a floor drain on the right side there. And then we ended just inside the cast iron. Now we're gonna go up the toilet or the bathroom side piece that we did. This is where all the holes were in the cast. And then right there, we ended just before these tie-ins, making it a nice smooth transition. This is the patch over the hole in the storm drain line. It was right there in the middle there. Sealed it off, all good to go.